Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Photoshop tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you on how to use wrap tools in Photoshop. Let me show you how. Like for instance, this image I have with me right here, I can decide to do some magic with it. So what we want to do is to come to the top right here. We'll go ahead and click on edit. Then from edit, we come down to transform right here. Then we make sure we choose wrap. So once you click on it and this is going to come on, just click on OK. Now here, there are things you can do here. One of them here is that you can come down below right here and on something, turn your object to something like this. Everything depends on what exactly you want to achieve. Then you can adjust the curve and how best you want it to bend right here. So you can also adjust from this right here. You can use this for shapes, text, or what have you. So I can come to the top right here also. I can decide to off like this again and try to use this arrow right here, take it off a little bit, and I can use this particular node right here, adjust this point right here, like so. So everything depends on what exactly you want to achieve as far as this particular tool is concerned. So you can twist any object image from different angles using wrap in Photoshop without any stress. Press Ctrl plus and then Ctrl plus 0. This will make us to see the detail. So you can on and on and adjust every area you will need to adjust out of the Photoshop. So okay. So once you are satisfied with the result, come to the top right there, click on this check mark here to accept the transform, and you have the image twist right here. You can also use this particular tool to curve or work on the text. So let's see how we can use it for the text. So I'm going to go ahead and come to my toolbar right here, and I will draw a rectangle tool right here, just as for background. Then I'll go back to my toolbar again. I will select my type 2, horizontal type 2. Then I'll come down below right here. I will make a new layer. So I'll come to the color field right here. I'll click on here. I will make this white color right here. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and make a type. I can say wrap, just like so. Then here I can easily select on the text right here. So I can increase the font size from this here, and the more I drag, the more the text is going to be increasingly, just like what you see right here. So once you're satisfied with the text, then you can try and see how you can use wrap to twist this particular text to make something else entirely in Photoshop. First thing first, before we can apply it, we need to make sure we rasterize this text. For that, come back to the layer, right click on the layer, and what you want to do right here, go ahead and make sure you rasterize type. Having rasterized the type, then we can come back to the layer again, right click on it. Then what we want to do here is that we need to make sure we look for wrap text. However, if we cannot find it right here, we can easily come back to edit right here. Go ahead and click on edit tab, then navigate to transform, and go ahead and choose wrap right here. And you're going to have it right here. So you can, from different angles, you can twist the text right here. Everything depends on what exactly you really want to achieve right here. If you are not comfortable with some stuff, you can just press Ctrl Z and it will drastically turn back. So we can press Ctrl plus to zoom, then X to come back. Then we can easily